en venstreskydning for Gejs, Sebastian. Jo, jeg er nået for broen. Jeg
hørte, at du vil lide.
What's up, guys? We're here now at the Copenhagen Spring Regatta. As you can see, it's very windy today and it's raining. And it's very shit.
You talk jysk engelsk.
But we'll make the best out of this first day at the Copenhagen Spring Regatta. Thank you.
What's up, Leah? What are you paddling?
Welcome to the City Mira in Copenhagen. I'm not paddling this weekend, I'm just training. I'm gonna watch the races, but everyone who is racing, good luck. See you, take it.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. Yes. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Ilya Podpolny. Thank you.
Okay.
It's good here. We're doing good.
Right here we have Torbjørn Rask.
Hello, I'm yes, you know who I am. I don't know, but today we are going to paddle some sprint and see how it goes in the cold weather. In
Have you already paddled?
Yes, I have.
And
the heat is like 4 degrees and wind from the side, so it's cold.
Yeah.
But it's fine. It's
fine.
how it is.
Are you going to paddle K2?
No,
No.
nobody wants to paddle with me in K2s.
That's sad.
Yeah, I said.
Okay, thank you. So, the first day is done now. No, this man, Søren Maratti, seen in the other vlogs, he is going out to paddle.
Yes, I'm going out training.
To qualify for the Olympic spot.
Yes.
The K2 500.
That's why I'm not racing today. That's why
Good luck.
I'm getting ready for Sunday. Thank you.
Good luck. It's like Q&A, was like
What's up, guys?
Det var fandme dårligt. Det er sådan her.
What's up, guys? At the Copenhagen Spring Regatta. And yeah. At du vil tage
Det er dig, der er professional.
Ligesom Søren.
What's up, guys?
We have Bastian Mendel has come out of retirement from.
I'm gonna go have a beer and maybe a kebab.
Yes.
Hvad du der?
No, chili kebab.
Og
Syltede grøntsager, hummus, alt det gode. Ananas chili. Ja, Isak! Ja, kom så, Isak!
what is happening?
Catching W.
Can you explain this?
He's like, he's never been better than he is right now.
Semi-final in the K1
I think they're already drunk.
Det er den der friske fedt der.
Hvordan de har fået den masse ja, jeg tror, han bliver stå op eller
On the YouTube.
Right here we have.
We are live now.
Yes, we're live.
Perfect.
What just happened?
It's a third place. Not good enough.
No, you'll get it next time.
I hope so. The race was good. A little bit wind, but fine for me. So
But it was good.
thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks, champ.
Good content. A man who says he's right, and there's also a man that says he's wrong. But you know what? They are both right at the end of the day. Think about that.
I will try to think about it then.
What have you just done?
So we have just been announcers for the first day of Copenhagen Spring Regatta. We've been waiting for this opportunity for a while. That finally we've gotten it to announce some, and maybe we'll return tomorrow for even some business.
Yes, in the very good dommertone.
What's up, guys? We have the heats in the K2 500 meter. We are very excited. We have been waiting for this. It's Sunday now, and we've been waiting all weekend. So it's about to go down.
National Olympic qualification.
Are we ready? Okay.
We have prepared.
Thank you, guys. Have a good race. You're welcome.
Er der også WhatsApp her, eller hvad?
I cannot do. Talk, man.
Jeg er syre over det hele.
Søgaard Nielsen på 4'eren, og lad os se, hvordan det går derude. Det ser ud til at det er stort bifald.
Describe the feeling of K4 last race of the regatta.
Very dead. Yes, yes. Cold.
Cold?
Yeah, good.
Not cold, there was flooding.
Yeah, I'm warm. Yes.
Medalje overrækkelse.
Medal overrated.
Who do we have here?
We have Jonas.
Who are Jonas?
I'm Jonas Salens. I'm from Belgium.
Yes.
I ended up in Silicabod.
Why?
Nobody knows why.
Okay.
I just came here and then I stay here.
Thank you.
They have
Yes.
a good frikadelle.
Yes.
And then
Agnes Thor. Yes!
How was the race?
It was really good. The race. Okay, two cameras. Okay.
Hey!
Camera one.
Hey!
This man,
Stor skid!
he tried to ruin our interview.
Give him a skid!
What's up, guys? How was the race? Stop. Hey, you can do it both. You can both stop the kid. Okay.
All these cameras.
Okay. The race was very good.
Look here.
No, you look here. We were sitting clean the whole way. It was perfect. We did executed the race plan to perfection.
What Søren says.
What's that? I think it was great.
Who the fuck is Søren?
I can't, like, my ego is boosted.
It was great. I think Søren's the first.
How's the race, guys?
It was good.
Yes.
Jeppe was pushing hard.
What do you think, Jeppe?
I'm freezing my color.
Yes.
I think my Kobe, that's good. You're not cold.
I think Elias pretty bad.
We get more views, and we record with telephone. He recorded with professionality.
Very big skid.
It's okay.
En lille YouTube-anbefaling. Hvis man mangler noget godt at se, så skal man altså shout-out til Jonas Production.
Ej, hvor er det vildt!
Yes.
Hvor er det vildt!
I glemte at se mit billede fra helvede.
Det første tag, det var meget hurtigt, så.
Så må I blive sprintror, ikke? Prøv at blive sprintror.
Okay, prøv at blive summer. Så havkajakker over.
Ja. Det er fordi, I har havkajakker over.
Og så fed båd, jeg har
Slås!
Men
Slås!
der vil altså ikke gå nogen
Tæsk ham.
steder hen, hvis
Tæsk ham.
har lidt op.
Hej.
What's up, guys?
Hvad skal der? Jeg filmer bare lige lidt.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Er det faktisk sådan, vi snart?
Nej, jeg har ikke set den snap.
Jeg tror ikke, det er
Skal I på tur? Jeg filmer. Skal I på McDonald's?
Skal det ikke? Der var jo tid nummer foran, eller hvad?
Nej, det gad jeg ikke.
Ja, det har jeg tomt.
Det kan jeg ikke. Jeg ved faktisk ikke, om hvis det var McDonald's. Det kunne vi da godt finde.
Ja, men det er på den vej der. Nej, jeg kørte sgu da motorvejen. Og så af ved Kildegårdsvejen, tror jeg. Jamen, jeg undersøgte i hvert fald. Ja. Man kunne have drejet af før.
High performance athletes.
Altså, skal du have is?
Nej, det tror jeg sgu ikke, jeg skal.
Hvorfor?
Smag en ny med flot med popcorn.
Det er fordi, jeg skal være utid til det.
Nej, det har ikke.